Hello everyone, this is health topic number 4. Why is fitness important? Why is it important for you to move every day? Children need to be active every day to promote their healthy growth and development. Kids who establish healthy lifestyles patterns at a young age will carry them and their benefits forward for the rest of their lives into adulthood. Physical activity can help kids cope with stress. Besides enjoying the health benefits of regular exercise, fit kids sleep better. They're also better able to handle physical and emotional challenges. Being active provides opportunities to develop social skills and make friends, whether you're outside at home, at a park, at a playground, or on a sports team. Playing in a group or a team sport provides the chance for a child to make new friends and work as a team. And that could be at home, at school, at a daycare, or just at a park. So again, try to be active every day, multiple times a day, and with the goal of being active for 60 minutes every day. Stay active, and I'll chat with you later. Bye.